Welcome to the ABCD class. A is for apple, A is for ant, and A is for aeroplane. B is for ball, B is for bee, B is for banana. C is for car, C is for cat, and C is for carrot. D is for dog, D is for duck, and D is for dolphin. E is for egg, E is for elephant, and E is for eyes. F is for fish, F is for frog, and F is for feet. G is for goat, G is for gun, G is for gorilla. H is for hat, H is for house, and H is for horse. I is for ice cream, I is for ink, and I is for insects. J is for jug, J is for jaguar, J is for jaguar, J is for jota, J is for jota. K is for king, K is for kangaroo, and K is for kite, K is for kite. L is for lorry, L is for lamp, L is for lion. M is for mouth, M is for monkey, M is for money. N is for nose, N is for net, N is for net, and N is for night. N is for night. O is for ocean, O is for orange, O is for R, O is for R. P is for pot, P is for penguin, P is for penguin, P is for parrot. Q is for question mark, R is for rose, R is for rat, R is for ram. S is for shoe. S is for sheep. S is for sheep. S is for shark. T is for turkey. T is for turkey. T is for television. T is for tomato. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. V is for van. V is for van. W is for web. W is for web. W is for watermelon. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone.